Taramps Big Boss 8 Bass Review. 8000W RMS and RGB effects. Real power or just flash? Ever felt like your car audio system just can't hit hard enough? Maybe your current amplifier constantly overheats, underdelivers, or simply can't push your subwoofers the way they deserve. You're chasing deep bass but keep hitting dead ends with weak power, bad wiring compatibility, or boring aesthetics. Your dream setup feels miles away while you're stuck wrestling cables, dealing with poor sound quality, or worse, a lifeless display that leaves your build looking dull. That frustration isn't just about sound, it's about settling. You're tired of equipment that promises the world and leaves your bass flat. Now crank up the nightmare. You're rolling up to meets or blasting beats on a road trip, and your amp bails, again. Your subs can't breathe, your audio's clipped, and every bass drop feels like a letdown. Worse? That amp you dropped cash on looks as exciting as a toaster, no flair, no vibe, just more frustration. Missed bass hits feel like missed opportunities, and every overheating shutdown steals energy from your setup, and from you. Your sound system deserves to flex, not flop. Let's face it. Underpowered amps are killing your vibe, draining your wallet, and robbing your ride of true showstopper energy. Enter the Taramps Big Boss 8 Bass White Edition, the 8000W monoblock amplifier that doesn't just deliver bass, it drops jaws. This beast isn't just about raw power, though 8000W RMS is no joke. It's about performance, versatility, and style. Featuring multi-impedance technology, it delivers full-throttle power across 0.5 to 2 ohms without breaking a sweat. The built-in 108 RGB LED effects? They pulse to your music, turning your entire sound system into a visual spectacle. Crafted with Taramps Smart Technology, it optimizes performance, protects your setup, and ensures your bass slams all day without overheating. Simply put, it's your system's new heartbeat. With the Big Boss 8 bass, you're unlocking more than just volume, you're unlocking possibilities. From deep, low-frequency power to dazzling light shows that sync with your music, this amp delivers on every level. Forget compatibility headaches. Its automatic multi-impedance design ensures seamless setup across your subwoofers. And with pro-level features like adjustable filters, gain control, bass boost, and advanced thermal protection, your ride's audio stays sharp, controlled, and seriously loud. Ready to transform your system from ordinary to iconic? Keep watching, this amp might just be your build's missing masterpiece. Thousands of bass heads have already upgraded to the Taramps Big Boss 8 bass, why not you? This amp isn't just in demand, it's dominating. Limited stock means every day you wait is another missed chance to level up. Whether you're chasing insane SPL or just want your subs to punch like never before, now's your moment. Secure yours today, lock in that 8000W RMS, and finally command the streets with bass and brilliance. Don't settle. Don't wait. Be the boss. Hit that buy button and let your ride speak louder than words, before it's sold out and you're left in silence.